Hey, just coming to see how your little project was coming.
Muscadine's gonna go right there.
Muscadine?
And the sun comes up over there. So it's gonna naturally want to go that way. It's gonna crawl on this.
Cool.
I'm gonna do nothing on that end. And later you can buy these little posts and you can do another just with posts. You can attach them if we want to put other stuff. I'm thinking of putting one on this end with a shade cloth for a tomato or two. But you see, you can walk on it. You can pick. I'm gonna do another on where the other posts are over there. I gotta get this up. Now I dig my hole first, you see, that way it's easy to dig because my thing's gonna be on that side. That's what the tape measure's out here for. I just laid this on the ground so because I laid this down and I didn't want it to lay on my garlic.
Oh yeah.
See, I'm gonna do it over there.
You got it going on. Well, that old sheep steady hollering, huh? That old sheep, she always calling.
Mama goat. She's probably looking for her little babies. They scattered. One was by the barn. She went with the other early today. The stronger one stayed by the barn.
Oh.
If they're not there after a while, I know where to look. I already made a mental thing where they was. They're in the second pasture over. But I'm waiting. She'll get them together. They're strong. If you don't, I'll find them. They're little bitty, but they're strong. You want to get a shot of that from here? It's pretty good. If you make the bottom, another person on YouTube, I learned that from before. I mean, I guess I ought to figure that out too, but he made it easy on me without having to think. If you make the bottom 5 foot apart, you got a little over 6 foot tall right above you, right in the middle. So that's perfect to pick. Let me go get my 2 posts in my...
Well, let me... It's a cattle panel. What's the length of it? Just
16.
for them? 16? 16 feet. And here's the two T-posts. This one and that one there.
This 5 foot falls right on the road right here.
Good thing it wasn't a pretty cabbage, huh?
Well, we'd ate it. Well, we already picked that one. Five foot.
5
Here.
foot.
So that's where my plant wants to be, on this side of it. We're probably going to pick both of these. Well, this is thick. It ain't going to make nothing else either.
Yeah, so it can go. It done did its thing anyhow.
Look at there.
Oh yeah, some good dirt. I think that one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Good dirt. Building it up with all that hay and stuff. Hay and leaves.
I have to be careful. I don't know how the people ran the water line before, but I know it's right here. It goes straight over there. So I'm very close to where it possibly could be.
Yeah, you are.
That was been my concern for a long time, but I thought about it pretty good when I put this. I thought it should be a little further over, but we don't know. If we break it, we'll fix it. Get the earthworms.
Yeah, look all the earthworms in there. Some good soil when you see that.
It's gonna get better and better. That's resistance, but that's a rock.
A pretty good rock too. It's a cement, look like.
Yeah.
You have to do some delicate digging, huh?
Mm-hmm.
At least the ground's nice and wet and soft.
The people that had this land before, they didn't pick nothing up. That's old reflector from a vehicle or bike.
Oh wait, what's that?
Junk. I'm gonna put that dirt back in mixed with that when I plant them things, when I ever get to them. Good dirt.
Mm-hmm. Can you hand me that? I don't know what I did.
way under there. I don't believe it is, though. You?
Mm-mm.
How you like it?
I like it. I love it. I think it's awesome.
Oh, I sure hope water don't start flying. I'm gonna just tie him and tidy him up. I might start planting my stuff, but just for the heck of it, being Ison's got I ordered my muscadine vines and grapevine from Ison's nursery in Georgia, and they got a good little video on planting their muscadine vine. So, and I watched it, but I want to watch the one on planting grapevines because they're the experts. I just want to see what they say. Probably the same as the muscadine.
Yeah. It'd be good to watch it again, though, just to make sure, you know. Looks like some pieces of barbed wire, or barbless wire rather.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like some pretty good material for what you're wanting to use it for.
Yeah.
I love to watch you do work like this.
Why?
I don't know. It's just very satisfying.
I'd love to watch somebody do it.
I think because I used to watch my daddy work, and I really enjoyed that. Just watching the details of it and all, like what you're doing, twisting the wire right there. Yeah.
I don't need a whole lot, but I'm trying to snug it where it won't fall, where it stays level with the... Anyway, it's not a big deal. It's gonna settle where it wants anyway. I'm trying to make it look decent.
Yeah, it looks pretty darn good to me. I like the idea.
I need some more hay and I need some more leaves. I want to pile this up, but I can only do a little at a time. What am I doing in this thing? There. But I need 3 hands.
What you want me to do?
hold it there. It's hard to do though. I don't want to push this because you walling out the ground. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Then it ain't gonna hold nothing. That's what I want.
So this is the arbors that he's got put up today, and hopefully tomorrow we can get some grapevines or muscadines or whatever put down in these holes.
Yeah, the muscadines go there.
Okay.
Muscadines are gonna go in the arbors. The grapes are gonna go on the trellis.
Okay.
Where all the little cane poles are.
So the muscadines are going to go on these.
Yeah.
Down there, the trellises is going to have the grapes.
You see later in the other part of the year, because it's just going to be one muscadine growing like this, I can grow a bean or two or anything to climb. It's not going to hurt.
Right.
Yeah.
It'll be available space in the beginning. Okay. All right. Well, you want to tell them bye and we'll just wrap it up?
I've been wanting this. My goal, if the Heavenly Father lets me, is to make a food forest. Have some banana trees all pretty over there making shade, and some fruit trees if the freeze didn't kill the fig trees, and a few things with some arbors where I can have different types of food growing at different times of the year. And I want to build all this no-till area up with mulch, hay, leaves. But anyway, and this is going to be grapes.
All right. Well, I sure do thank you.
I'm going to tie that up and I'm going to take a break.
All right. See you on the
Bye,
next
everybody.
one. Bye, y'all.